Hi everybody, my name is Fariha Abbasi-Feinberg. I'm the Medical Director of Sleep Medicine in Fort Myers. I'm here hanging out in my jammies to talk about sleep. I'm often asked by patients and friends and colleagues how to get better sleep. And the Millennium Wellness team has asked me to put together a couple of tips to try to improve your sleep. So before we really get started on some hopefully practical and very actionable items, I wanted to review why you should care about your sleep. We spend about a third of our life sleeping, and we don't really understand all the different reasons why we do so, but we know that sleep is essential for health. Sleep allows our bodies to recover. It's important in our metabolism. It's important for memory formation and learning. And we know that lack of sleep makes us less empathetic, so we are more difficult to deal with. We want to be able to give our best selves to our patients, to our coworkers, and to our loved ones. And therefore, we have to make sure that we're getting enough sleep. Tip number 1, allow enough time to relax before going to bed. Most of us are so busy catching up on work in the evening. I recently saw some data from MPG that a rather large percent of us are spending way too much time in Athena after work hours. It is not reasonable to work all the way to bedtime and then to expect great sleep. So stop. Give yourselves at least 60 minutes before going to bed to do something relaxing, to spend time with loved ones, or to watch something funny. Tip number 2, get sunshine in the morning. I cannot emphasize this one enough. As soon as possible after awakening, getting outside even for just 5 to 10 minutes can really make a huge difference. There is a fascinating interaction between early morning sunlight and then the release of cortisol timing, and 12 to 14 hours later, the release of melatonin timing. That early morning sunlight helps set our circadian rhythm. And so I always tell people that early morning sunlight will actually help you fall asleep better the next night. How lucky are we here in Florida and in North Carolina and Texas to be able to have access to this natural wonder. Tip number 3, be careful what you put into your body in the evening hours. So caffeine can stay in your system for up to 6 hours. That evening iced tea at dinner or the brownie after dessert may really affect the quality of your sleep. In addition, alcohol may help you fall asleep, but unfortunately, as it's metabolized, it disrupts sleep and causes sleep fragmentation. So just be thoughtful about what you're doing. Tip number 4, get physical every day, every single day. It is really important for us to move our body and to find joy in movement. The timing of it is less important. It seems to be very personal, but I usually recommend give it a couple of hours before bedtime so that you can allow your body to cool down before you're going to bed. Tip number 5, look at your sleep surroundings. So keep it really dark. It turns out even little bits of light can penetrate your lids and disturb sleep. Along the same lines, keep it really cool. Temperatures below 70 degrees are best for sleep. And keep it quiet if possible. If you absolutely need to have some type of sound, listen to a sound machine or keep a fan going. I can go on and on about sleep, so hit me up if you have any specific questions. Just a quick note about sleep trackers. I love the fact that people are interested in their sleep and they want to do things to improve it. But just be cautious about how you interpret the data. Those devices are not always wonderfully accurate in terms of the depth of sleep. So if you feel fine, but your sleep tracker is telling you that you're not getting enough REM sleep or deep sleep, don't stress about it. Allow your body to do what it knows how to do. Just relax and allow sleep. So thank you so much, my friends, for listening to my tips. I want you all to sleep well so we can live well.